Hello friends, do you want to send automated birthday and anniversary notification to your clients and prospects? Connecting with prospects and sending them personalized messages on their birthdays and anniversaries has a lot of engagement, and you could convert a prospect into client. And communicating to clients or connecting with clients on their birthdays and anniversaries is a good time to connect, and they feel connected. So, do you want to know how to create an automated way of sending birthday and anniversary messages to your clients and prospects? And that too, a personalized message, not a random message. You will address to the person. Say you are sending a message to Santosh. You send happy birthday, Santosh, not just happy birthday. Because if you send a message with the name of the person, it creates a lot of connect. They think that you have personally sent them a message, and you can customize the message as per your wish. You can add your text, maybe an image, and send it. And all this is automated. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do is open WhatsApp web on your laptop or desktop every morning, and the messages will be sent automatically. That's great, isn't it? So let's see how we can do this. We need at least three tools to achieve this task, and you can add up another couple of tasks if required, if you want to take your customization and automation to the next level. But at least three tools are required. One is um, Google Sheet. So this Google Sheet contains all the information about your client or prospect. Like, first is WhatsApp number, the name of the person, the date of birth of the person, and these are all not so much necessary, like gender, age, client, yes or no. So this client yes or no is nothing but you are you trying to segregate the people based on if a person is a client or not. If it is yes, is a client. If it is no, that means he's a prospect. So this is all dummy data that I have entered here, and it's this is a birthday message that you want to send. So I'll just expand this. Okay. Yeah. So once again, hold on. Okay, so I have mentioned the message here, and it says, hey, whatever the text, the birthday text that you want to send, you can keep it here. Happy birthday. Um, This is a quote: birthdays are a new start, a fresh beginning. Time It's a time to pursue new endeavors with new goals. Move forward with confidence and courage. This is just a random um, happy birthday quote or a message, whatever you want to send, you can enter here. And the same information has been copied here. Uh, so we cannot go and see the entire message, but whatever the message I have shown you, the same message is here. And but the image, if you want to send a image along with the message, you can provide the link of that image. These are all not necessary for birthday message. If you want to send a anniversary message, you can mention the date of the anniversary, and so on. And anniversary message here, whatever the message that you want to convey. So this is a Google Sheet, Google spreadsheet. You can customize as per your requirements, change some columns, whatever. But generally, it should ideally have the name, WhatsApp number, and the message that you want to send. The second thing that you need to have is open your WhatsApp web on your laptop or desktop. It should be running. And there is a Chrome extension which is currently free that is called as WA Toolbox for WhatsApp. You can download this from Google Store, I mean Chrome Store. You can download this extension and install the extension. It is currently free. It is in a beta testing phase, but soon you might have to subscribe for this if they go for uh, planned purchase options. But currently it is free. So this is the tool that we need. And the third tool or the last one that we need is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is nothing but it's like a Zapier where you can automate many uh, tasks. It's an alternative. Pabbly Connect is an alternative for Zapier. So here, what I'm going to do, this is a automation workflow that I have created. I will show you what exactly is there inside this so that uh, it will help you understand how this automation is done. So first, basically, this workflow, this is a workflow, birthday wishes WA toolbox. That's the name I have given, and it's a workflow, which is nothing but it contains a set of steps to execute. So first is scheduling. I have scheduled this to run every day morning 3:30 a.m. UTC time. This is UTC time. It's nothing but Indian time morning 9 a.m. every day. So when do you want to run? Every day and at 9 a.m. You can set the change or modify the time as per your wish. But ideally, this workflow should run every day so that the birthday wishes are sent every day to your clients and prospects. Second is I am connecting this Google Sheet into Pabbly Connect. So when I connect, I am trying to get the information what is there inside the spreadsheet. So here I have 4 sheets and only sheet 1 I am loading into Pabbly Connect. There is nothing here inside this anniversary today or birthday today. There is nothing. Only sheet 1 has the information. All the information that is required is there in sheet 1, and this is the only sheet I am loading onto Pabbly Connect. Next, what I am doing is, see here, this Pabbly Connect has to go through all these rows. First, it has to go through this name Arjun, then it has to go through this person Santosh, then it has to go through all this information about Chari, and lastly, uh, for Sriram, the Pabbly Connect has to go through all this information. So that is nothing but iterator. So I am using iterator, telling that go through all the entries that are present in the sheet. Next time, what I'm doing is, so when should this message be sent, or to whom the birthday wishes message has to be sent? Only for those if they have birthday today. That means we have to compare this date with today's date. We have to compare the month and then date. The year is not required. So first, what I am trying to do in Pabbly Connect is trying to get current date. I am fetching the current date into Pabbly. So this is the current date. I am setting the format DD, MM, YYY, or you have some other formats. You can select it from the drop down list. Second, I am splitting the date. I want to split the date into date separately, month separately, and year separately. So using the separator between the dates, the numbers in the date is hyphen. So I have set the separator as hyphen. So when hyphen separator is given, it will take 30 separately, 09 separately, and 2021 separately. Next, what I am trying to do is I am trying to get the date from this sheet. Till now, this one and this one. So these two are current date. So Pabbly is trying to work on the current date. Next, I am trying to work on the date that is there inside this Google Sheet. Let's say this one, 30 September 1991. I am working on this now. What I am trying to do is I am trying to format the date using the DDMMYYY, same format. Then I am splitting the date. I am splitting this date that is there in Google Sheet with again the same separator hyphen. Now what I am trying to do after splitting the date, I will compare today's date with, sorry, this is today's month or this month with the month that is there in this particular cell. If it is equal, then it will go to the next. Today's date with the date present in Google Sheet. This is to this month compared to month in Google Sheet. If it is equal, then only it will go to the next step, that is today's date with the date in the Google Sheet. If both are satisfied, then I am sending a message. How? So here is a message. This message is truncated. I cannot expand here. I will show here. So this is a message. Ignore about this anniversary message, but let's focus on birthday message. Whatever logic I am telling you on birthday, you can apply the same logic on anniversary, but let's focus on birthday. So it says, hey, birthdays are a new start, a fresh beginning, and a time to pursue new endeavors with new goals. Move forward with confidence and courage. That's a standard generic statement or a quotation. Here, happy birthday, and there is a cake symbol or cake emoji. And here is a message created specifically crafted for you. This is again a generic statement. And I have a link. Now, to this message, I want to personalize. Let's say I am sending message to the first person in the sheet, that is Arjun. So I am sending message to Arjun. So when Pabbly is sending message to Arjun, it should not send like this. It should not send like this. It should say, hey Arjun, and happy birthday Arjun. And for this link at the end, Arjun should be added. This is a next level of automation that I did, but I'm just explaining you. I will show you how this works later. Okay. So I hope you understood. I want to send a message to Arjun saying that, hey Arjun, and this statement is same. There is no change in this statement. And here I want Arjun should be displayed. Happy birthday Arjun, and then cake symbol. And here for this URL at the end, Arjun should come. The name Arjun should appear. And after all this, the message should be sent to Arjun. So the first thing I am trying to do here is, hey, after hey, Arjun should come. For that, add name. So I am taking the text, the generic text, and I am saying in place of hey, make it hey Arjun. This Arjun, I got it from this cell. From this, I am taking this name Arjun and I am saying after hey, add Arjun. Next. Now I am saying find happy birthday, and I'm saying make it as happy birthday Arjun. Same, this Arjun, I got this from here. Then let's say there is a person with two words, Arjun Kumar, but I want to set it as only Arjun. So I have to remove whatever is there after Arjun. For that, I am using this function get first part of the name only. And then I want to add name to the URL. So this is a URL, and at the end, I want Arjun. So I'm searching for this string username equal to, and I am adding Arjun at the end. So once I do all this, there is a last step that we need to do called as webhook. Now I should send this all the customized message to WhatsApp of that person. So to do this, as I told you, the WhatsApp web should be running and you should install this WA toolbox. Once you click on this WA toolbox, there is something called as webhooks. Inside this, create a new webhook and select incoming webhook. Don't use outgoing, it will not work. You should use incoming webhook. And you give some name for this webhook just to understand for your reference only. And you can give any kind of name and just save it. This URL, the URL that you get it here, webhook URL, you copy this and paste it here in endpoint URL. This is my webhook URL. Don't give this. You have to use your own URL. And here you will get this syntax. What do you want to do? Do you want to send a message? So then you have to take this action, send message. What type of message do you want to send? Either it's a text or media. Generally text, it's a text. Content. What kind of message you want to send? What is your message? For that you need to use the content. Here, instead of this welcome to WA toolbox, you will be using whatever the message that has been formulated here in this last step. You will be using it here. So you can see here the message has been created. Hey Arjun, this is a standard quotation, and happy birthday Arjun, and this is a link at the end. Arjun has come here, and to what number you have to send it, you have to include prefix of the country code. So for India it is 91, so prefix 91 for the WhatsApp number that you want to send a message. Attachments, you want to send a image along with your text, then you have to use this attachments. In my testing, attachment was not working properly, so I have not sent or included any attachments or images in my message, so I have ignored this, but you can try it out. That's it. Save and send. So when you do all these steps one by one and configure this sequence of steps, totally there are about 13 steps. All steps one by one will run every day at this time that you set. This is UTC time, it's not Indian time. So you have to remember when to run based on UTC time and set that. You can get the UTC time in Google. So in Google, just type UTC time now. You will get what is the time now in UTC. Take a bit of time to load. So currently my time is 9:17 p.m. but UTC time is 3:47 p.m. So based on this difference, you calculate and set at what time you want to run in UTC so that it runs at Indian Standard Time. I have tested this for about 8 to 10 people multiple times and it was going everything fine. So I have tested it for myself on one of my another WhatsApp number. So this Arjun message. So here you can see, hey Arjun, this is standard quotation and happy birthday Arjun. And here is a standard quotation. And lastly, it's a URL ending with Arjun. Like this, you can send automated messages every day. All you need to do is just keep on adding the information about your clients and prospects in each and every row. Ensure that you maintain this format. Don't mix match here and there. If you do that, the Public Connect will not understand what you are writing. Where is it? So just ensure that you are following this format and the messages, birthday messages or anniversary messages will be sent automatically every day. So just like happy birthday message that I have configured, you need to configure another steps of 13 to 14 or 12 steps to send happy birthday or sorry, happy anniversary. So both workflows will run simultaneously. So one set of workflow will keep on sending birthday messages and another set of workflow will keep on sending anniversary messages. So you can send both birthday and anniversary messages simultaneously every day to all your clients and prospects. And I hope this will be very useful to you in connecting with your clients and prospects and get more connectivity with them and get more engagement with them.